Welcome to the AI Books training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create ebooks in AI Books. To create an ebook, click on eBook Builder option. Now you are on eBook Creating panel. Click on the Add New eBook option. Now insert your ebook title. You can use our advanced AI writer to write awesome AI content for your ebook. Upload a cover for your ebook. You can add images from the image URL. Add introduction, conclusion, and recommended resources of your ebook. You can also add a footer CTA text and a footer CTA link if you want. By clicking on Submit button, your ebook is created. You can manage your created ebook in Manage eBook section. You can add chapters to your created ebook if you want. You can add content and also add images to your chapter by searching the image option. Where you can see your created ebook in PDF format. You can edit or delete your ebook anytime you want. Thanks for watching the video.